Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password on the twitter.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should click on this more button down below in the left side column and click on settings and support, then tap on settings and privacy. After that, click on your account and then tap on the change your password button. Here you should type in your current password, and after that type in your new password into the second box and confirm it by typing it again. If you are done, click on the save button down below so that your password will be updated automatically. As you can see, it's written down below. So now you will be able to log in with your new password. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.